Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy Ugadi to all of you who are watching here. Today I have come up with this festive makeup look which I owed on my Ugadi festival day. So it's very festive, very easy to create. So let's see how to get this makeup look. To start off the makeup look, I have used my ALX primer. Before priming, I have already moisturized my skin nicely. For the foundation, I have used my MAC Studio Fix foundation. I am just dotting it all over my face and neck area, and I'll be blending it using my brush. You can use a sponge as well, but I prefer brush, so I'm just nicely blending the foundation into my skin to get a flawless finish. For the concealer, I have used my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just dotting it the area where I have a dark circles, like around my eye area, lips, around the nose, and also a little bit on the chin area and also on forehead. Taking a small brush, and I'm just blending it all over. I'm using a small brush so that it will be very convenient to blend out in the place. You can use a sponge or a beauty blender as well. Once that is nicely blended, I'll let my base sit for a while. Meanwhile, I'll be doing my eyebrows. This will make the base sit flawlessly on my skin. Once my eyebrows are done, I'm just setting my base using my MAC Studio Fix Compact. For the eyes, first I have taken a brown eyeshadow and I am just defining my crease with that. You can use any brown eyeshadow for that. Next, going with a smaller brush, I have taken a black eyeshadow and I am applying it on my outer V area just below the brown where I have applied to get a depth onto my eyelid, like that. You can use any small brush. I have used the pencil brush. Going back with a fluffy blending brush, I am just blending both the colors in. Next, taking a flat brush, I have taken a shimmery red eyeshadow which matches my outfit, and I am just packing the color all over my eyelid like that nicely. Once the intensity what I wanted is achieved, I'll go back with a blending brush and I blend out nicely, so that it will blend nicely to my brown eyeshadow as well, and we don't have any harsh edges for that. So I have nicely blending out the colors. To get a maximum intensity of the red eyeshadow, I'm just reapplying it to get a maximum intensity of the color to match my outfit. To finish off the eye look, I have used my liquid eyeliner and I am just drawing a thick liner very close to my lash line. I have not used any winged eyeliner, just drawing it very thickly and also a little bit extending on an inner corner like that. For the lower waterline, I have taken my nykaa kajal. This is a super black kajal and I am just tightlining my lower waterline with that and also extending my inner corner to meet the upper one. To highlight the inner corners, I have used my sugar highlighter and I am just applying it on the inner corner and also on my brow bone. This will highlight and also open up my eyes. I am using the same highlighter on bridge of my nose and also on highest points of my cheeks area. In this look, I have not used any blush because the concentration should be on eyes and lips. So I'll be using a darker lipstick today. For the lipstick, I have taken my sugar lipstick. This is a Smudge Me Not a range. I love this color. This is very vibrant pinkish red color which matches perfect for my outfit. So yeah, I love this. I'm applying a nice coat of lipstick and it's a matte as well. So as it is a traditional look, I have paired up with the jewels and bindi. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I love this festive makeup look. Once again, happy Ugadi for all of you, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and also share this video with your friends and families. Thank you so much.